Hotter and better looking. Today we're turning the Napoleon Freestyle completely inside out. At the end, you'll see the prototype we've newly developed for the grill, and there's also something to win. Hi, I'm Matthias, and I'm the developer of our products. With our stainless steel products, we always make sure there's added value for the griller. Now let's look at the Napoleon Freestyle series, and I'll show you everything we've already developed for this grill. 3 things are especially important to us with our products. They must make the grill hotter, better looking, or just easier to maintain. Let's start with more heat, specifically at the bottom of the grill with our self-developed heat reflectors. Thanks to heat reflection, the reflectors ensure that the heat normally radiated to the drip tray is radiated back up to the grill. And you can tell 30 to 40 degrees more heat at the grill. Moving on with another new development, which is our Sizzle Plancha. It finally makes the sizzle zone or the side burner of the grill effective and also usable. Because normally, fat dripping from the meat into the sizzle zone causes flare-ups, burns, and makes the meat bitter and black. Our Sizzle Plancha really has some serious engineering behind it. Namely, the part consists of 4mm stainless steel, finely ground, and is completely laser welded. It has a 2% slope. This ensures that fat drains away and meat doesn't swim in its own juices. The fat collects here in the juice groove, and the Sizzle Plancha can simply be emptied out later. This part, a new development, finally available again, fits into the Napoleon Freestyle. The warming rack is a real problem solver, especially for those who love eating chicken wings. It has 9 chicken leg holders. We developed that ourselves. Chicken legs are hung upside down in there, and the advantage is that the meat juice runs into the meat, so it gets extra juicy and doesn't sit on the skin. So nothing can stick and they get as crispy as possible. It can simply be inserted into the grill, 100% stainless steel, a great part. Small but mighty. An absolute safety component is the ignition rail, which is in the Freestyle and every other grill. This should be checked every now and then and replaced if it has rusted through. Our part will never rust through because it's made of solid stainless steel. It simply ensures that a failing gas burner catches the flame from the other burner again. We supply it in stainless steel with flame engraving and the matching stainless steel screw. Now comes the most heavily used part of the grill, namely the burner covers or flavorizer bars. Ours here are made of solid stainless steel. Originally they're made of enameled steel, and through our T-shaped flame opening, more heat gets up to the grill grate. Exactly, and the burner is still protected from fat. Another part, which we developed together with Big Barbecue, the Instagrammer for example, is our smoker rail. It's simply hung on the flavorizer bar, and as soon as the burner is turned on, the wood chips filled in here ignite automatically and smoke is produced. Smoker rail. Fits on every flavorizer bar. And now, the undisputed number 1, our premium stainless steel grill grate. The grill grate is available with your choice of 4, 5, 6 or 8mm rods. It's entirely handmade, and the thicker the rods are, the better the branding will be, and it provides greater heat retention. The rods are mounted to rotate. This lets the sausage roll over them, and they can expand in the axial direction. This prevents the stainless steel from warping. And upon request, you can get a free engraving etched right into the grill grate. Still our very best product. Namely, the plancha made of 4mm stainless steel. And you can really tell. Meat, vegetables, basically everything works on the grill with it. And only from us do you get the Grill Ross family guarantee. If the plancha ever does warp, we'll replace it without any fuss. I promise. This additional lid plate insulates the grill, making it hotter while using less gas. And now, as promised, the prototype of our new product, the back panel for the Napoleon Freestyle. Normally, the Napoleon Freestyle is open at the back to remove the gas bottle. However, this makes it very susceptible to drafts, which cool the drip tray from below. So we developed this stainless steel plate, which is simply hung on the back using 4 screws that are screwed into the grill. Just hooked right in, the grill looks tidy from the back and is protected from drafts. Now for the giveaway, how many rod diameters can you choose from for our premium grill grate? Write it in the comments and you could win this spatula set. If you have any other ideas we could implement for the Napoleon Freestyle, please write those in the comments too. And if the product makes it into our shop, you'll get the prototype for free. Napoleon Freestyle fully pimped out. Of course, with our 350 self-developed products, we have the right accessories for almost every gas grill. So feel free to watch more videos from our test lab or visit our shop. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss anything, and see you next time.